Hi and welcome to Maté Tea Culture Club. My name is Anna and today I will be talking about maté, one of the unusual drink which we are offering in our club. Maté is a national drink of Guarani Indians, which are living in southern part of Brazil, Paraguay and Argentina. And Spanish people, when they arrived to that part of South America, they met maté and they call it grass from Paraguay, so Ilex paraguayensis. Well, originally maté is a tree which grows 8 to 10 meters high, and maté is made from shredded leaves of that tree. And Spanish people were describing that Guarani Indians were very powerful and they could do daily work for many hours. And they were thinking that their secret of that physical endurance is that they were drinking maté. Because next to their weapons, they were carrying a leather bags where they were baked, where they were grounded herb, that was the maté. And they were drinking it and using a cane pipe as a filter. So nowadays maté is a very healthy drink because it contains, why it's so healthy actually, because it contains a set of nutrients and vitamins, and most important what makes maté is matéin. So it's one of the 3 alkaloids which gives us energy and sustained concentration during many hours. So that's why we are offering these drinks, because it's very healthy and nutritious, and as I said, it also gives energy. And many people nowadays are lacking of energy. So let's talk about how to prepare maté properly. Okay, so what do we need to have to prepare maté? First of all, we need to have a calabash. Originally, it was a pumpkin, so pumpkin gourd that Guarani was using to make maté. And this is actually a pumpkin. And then they were cutting the top, drying it up, and then using to make maté. This is, for example, a straw made from bamboo, so they're all natural. While in the conditions of the Netherlands, I noticed that very often those calabashes get molded. So we have a nice solution for that. It's a ceramic calabashes which are wood-fired and which are producing also here by Maté company. So we have I have here few examples of those beautiful calabashes. So we have our calabash. Next to that, we need to have bombilla. So this is the pipe which are inserted in the calabash and used as a filter to drink the maté. And of course, we need to have maté itself. We have different types here in the club. So this is the maté which is not barbecued. We have barbecued maté and also original maté which is made by Guarani Indians in Argentina. And of course we need to have water. So water should be, the temperature of the water is really essential because we should not burn maté. So the temperature is to make or to brew maté should be between 60 to 70 degrees. So how do I check? I check it with my palm. If it's not that hot, so it's a perfect temperature to make or to brew maté. Okay, so let's start to prepare our maté. First of all, we put the maté inside. So for beginner, you need to have between 15 to 25 grams. But the rule of the thumb is that you fill the calabash to the half. Then you put the maté inside. Then you cover it with your palm and make this movement. This is to shake the bigger leaves a little bit on the bottom, so the dust which is actually can clog the pipe is on your palm. Then you put the bombilla inside, and then you pour the water. The maté should not be covered, as you can see, not fully. And then you are ready to drink. The most important not to mix the bombilla, which I see very often people are doing. So bombilla should stay on its place, and we are ready to drink. Bueno.